Hey, this is Parker Pemberton with Pemberton Homes. Today I want to talk about the real estate market and whether or not we have an inventory problem or an interest rate problem. So the hot topic over the last year has been interest rates. No doubt, everybody who's in the market or everybody that's watching the market has seen rates double. As of today, we're sitting at 6.75 for somebody that has a decent credit score in a conventional loan. Government products like FHA and VA are a little bit lower at 6.5, but the problem is rates are really high. So do we have a rate problem or do we have an inventory problem? And this is probably the question I get asked the most right now because it is so relevant to what's happening in every micro market that my answer, and truly, when you look at the facts and you look at the data, we have an inventory problem. We do not have an interest rate problem. And the reason we know that is that supply and demand is so far off right now that in almost every price point that we have in the Twin Cities, we are in multiple offers. Every single house is in multiple offers. If it's a good house. Now let's take foreclosures, let's take distressed properties, let's take the multi-million-dollar properties off of the conversation board here. Most of the markets that we're in are in multiple offers every single time a house is listed, and we have rates that, for bad credit are above 7% at this point. So what buyers are starting to realize is that this rate environment is probably not going to change. It's not going to just plummet down to 3% again, and it might not in our lifetimes. I don't have a crystal ball, of course, but it would have to be significantly lower for that to happen. But what is happening is that we have 700,000 homes in America for sale. To give you some micro data on that, in Hennepin County, which is Minneapolis and the surrounding suburbs, 1,000 homes for sale, 1,000 houses for sale. So buyers don't really have a choice right now as to, what home they're going to buy. When something hits the marketplace in their neighborhood that they're looking, in a price point that they're looking, as long as it's in good shape and it's presentable and it has what they're looking for, buyers are jumping on that opportunity. Until we start to see inventory change, I don't think you're going to see supply and demand change because it is historically low at this point. Here's what I'm asking of you. If you know anybody that is looking to buy or sell, that has a property for sale, that is considering selling, I would love to talk to them. We are able to do a lot of things right now with buyers and sellers off market because we have such a difference in buyers versus sellers. To give you some context on how many homes are being sold in America right now, last year, for example, 6.2 million homes sold. This year, it's expected that 4 million homes will sell. So we don't have an interest rate problem, we have an inventory problem. And if you know of somebody or yourself is looking to sell, it is still very much a seller's market. And there's a lot of buyers that would love your house. Please reach out if you have any questions. We would love to chat.